Hi, welcome to the TurboSpoke Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit your TurboSpoke bicycle exhaust system to your bike. Let's get started. So, here are the contents of your TurboSpoke bicycle exhaust system. The card cartridge, complete with card lock, the fitting wedge, small rubber sheet, the cable ties or zip ties, your fitting instruction sheet, your 3 awesome tunable moto cards for up to 6 different sounds, 24 custom stickers to decorate your exhaust pipe, and of course, the Megaphone exhaust pipe complete with big bore end. The only other items that you'll need for fitment are a clean rag and a pair of scissors. The exhaust system can be fitted to either the right hand side or the left hand side of almost any bike. In this video, we're going to fit it to the left hand side of the bike opposite to the chain. The first thing that you need to do is take your clean rag and clean this bar to make sure that it's free from any dirt and grime. The exhaust pipe fits to the lower chainstay of the bike frame, anywhere between the edge of the rim and the end of the bar. I normally recommend somewhere in the middle, just like this. It's important to check, however, that the exhaust pipe is mounted far enough back so that it is clear of the rotating pedal. The next step is to fit the rubber strip in place. Simply peel the backing paper off the rubber strip like this and attach the rubber strip onto the bar, like so. The next step is to loosely fit the cable ties around the bar of the bike. You can see I've done one here already. And the way you do this is take the cable tie, feed the thin end up the back of the bar like this, connect it to itself like this, and push it through until it clicks 1 or 2 times, like that. The fitting wedge fits onto the top side of the bar for 16-inch bikes and larger, and for 14-inch bikes it fits onto the outside of the bar like this. As this is an 18-inch wheel size bike, I'm going to fit the wedge to the top side of the bar, so I'm simply going to push it into place like this, hold it with my finger, and position the exhaust pipe and fitting wedge onto the frame like so. While still holding the exhaust pipe in place, I'm going to reach for the black card cartridge, so this simply slides into place like that. Making sure to hold everything firmly in place, take one of the cable ties and slide it over the card cartridge and drop the cable tie into the groove along the side of the card cartridge, and gently pull the cable tie tighter. You'll hear it snapping into place, like so. Take the other cable tie into place and repeat the process. With the exhaust system now loosely fitted to the bicycle frame, it's a good idea to make sure that it is sitting in the correct position. The top tip is to rotate the exhaust system round so that the exhaust pipe just touches the downward bar here. With the exhaust system now fitted to the bike in the correct position, it's time to tighten the cable ties finally. So simply pull them as hard as you can. The cable ties have now been fully tightened onto the bicycle frame and the exhaust pipe is held firmly in place. The next step is to cut off the excess cable tie material. Using a pair of scissors, simply slice across the bottom of the cable tie like so. Adult supervision is recommended for this part of the assembly. And now for the fun part. Fitting one of your 3 moto cards. Open the card lock on the side of the card cartridge, slide the card all the way into place, and then lock the card in place with the card lock. You'll also notice that each card has a secondary slot, and that allows you to tune the sound of the card by simply pulling the card out of the spokes a little bit and then locking it into place with the card lock. This 2-stage tuning changes the sound of each card, so with 3 cards you have up to 6 different sounds. And now for the really fun part, fitting all the stickers. The assembly of your TurboSpoke bicycle exhaust system is now complete. One of the great features of the all-new TurboSpoke is that it can fit to either side of your bike, which means you can fit twin pipes. The method for fitting the pipe to this side of the bike is exactly the same as it is for the first side.